Hello and welcome back to Culinary Haven. Do you like chocolate chip cookies? Of course you do. Everybody does. And today I'd like to show you how to serve at least 8 dinner guests with one triple chocolate chip cookie. Let's begin. To make a triple chocolate chip cookie for a party of 8, we'll need 200 grams of either golden caster sugar or soft brown sugar. Demerara sugar will not do because it's too grainy, too crunchy, and it won't melt. So it has to be either soft brown sugar or golden caster sugar. 200 grams of soft butter, unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 300 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 100 grams of dark chocolate chip, white chocolate chip, and milk chocolate chip. We'll also need 1 bowl and either a cast iron pan, which I'm going to use, or a heavy bottom oven proof dish that you can preheat in the oven before we make our cookie. So before we start making the cookie dough, we'll place the pan into the preheated to 180 degrees Celsius oven, and make sure that you place the pan into already preheated oven. Let's make the cookie dough. Into a medium-sized bowl goes our soft, very soft butter, 200 grams, and 200 grams of golden caster sugar. That's what I have today. And I'm going to use electric whisk. You can also do it manually. Just whisk it together, blend it until it's nice and fluffy. When the butter is really soft, it only takes a few seconds to do it with an electric whisk. That's it, enough. And now we're going to add the eggs one at a time and incorporate thoroughly. Nice and fluffy. And the second egg, same again. It doesn't take long at all. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. Whisk it in. Again, very quickly. And now we're going to sift in the flour, cocoa powder, a little bit of cinnamon, which just enhances. I'm only adding a quarter of a teaspoon, which is enough just to enhance all the chocolate flavors, and half a teaspoon of salt. And from this point, we're actually switching from the whisk to just a rubber spatula. Put the flour, the cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons, a quarter of a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Sift it in. Just help with your fingers the bits of cocoa powder to go through. Now fold it in from the bottom up. We haven't finished yet, but at this point we're going to add the chocolates and then finish making our cookie dough. All 3, 100 grams of each kind, and just mix it all together. There, done. So this is the consistency of our cookie dough. nice, soft and creamy. And the pan is hot enough by now. Let's get it out of the oven. So place your hot cast iron pan or a heavy oven-proof dish on a board. Transfer your cookie dough onto it. Do it quickly but carefully. Sizzling. Can you hear that? Right. That's it. All in. And now with an offset spatula, quickly flatten it down and just spread it evenly around the pan. That's it. How about this for a cookie? And now it's going back into the 180 degrees Celsius oven for 25 minutes. Here we are. Our giant triple chocolate chip cookie is ready. And today it took 28 minutes in our oven. So just keep an eye on it to check if it's ready or not. If you see a dry edge around the cookie, it's ready. And we're going to serve it actually directly from, we will cut the slice from the skillet and serve it with a scoop of our favorite coffee ice cream, but the choice is yours there. And here we are serving it a slice of our cookie with a cup of coffee and a scoop of coffee ice cream. We've already transferred the whole cookie from the skillet onto the platter. Very easily done. You just put the platter on top of the skillet and invert and then just flip it over. Absolutely delicious. A little crunchy coating on the outside and soft gooey chocolate inside. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching this episode of Culinary Haven, and until next time, bye.